knew that Saint-Emilion is a beautiful medieval town in the middle of a superb wine-growing area, but the reality exceeded our expectations. The village boasts Romanesque churches and medieval buildings nestled among rolling vineyards with stunning panoramic views. Cobblestone streets, charming squares, and rustic architecture make Saint-Emilion a true hidden treasure of the Bordeaux region.
Hi, we love van life, and here are our family adventures. We started Zubie Campers with the mission to support Zuby's Kids, an NGO based in Romania dedicated to the integration of children in foster and adoptive families. Our supreme goal is to develop strong parents and happy children. You may find links to Zubie Campers and Zuby's Kids in the description below, but until then, let's see what we have for you in today's video. The village is named after a monk, Emilion, who settled in the area in the 8th century. His followers established a monastic community, laying the foundation for the village that bears his name. Saint-Emilion is home to an extraordinary monolithic church, which is one of the largest underground churches in Europe. Carved directly out of limestone rock in the 12th century, it boasts an impressive nave and a bell tower that offers stunning views of the village and surrounding vineyards.
The vineyards of Saint-Emilion have been producing wine for nearly 2,000 years, dating back to the Roman era. The region's unique terroir, with its limestone-rich soil, contributes to the exceptional quality of its wines. The classification system for Saint-Emilion wines, established in 1955, is updated regularly to maintain high standards.
We overnighted in 2 vineyards that are open for campers: Château Arnaud de Jacquemeau, located 30 minutes walking distance from the village, and Château Picaron, where the owners offered a tour of the cellar and shared with us some of the secrets of winemaking in the region. We were impressed by their warm welcome and friendly atmosphere, but also by the hard work they are doing to keep the vineyards at such good standards.
If we are to sum up our experience in Saint-Emilion, we'd say exquisite French countryside and beautifully preserved medieval heritage.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe and let the world know about Zubie Campers. Our greatest joy is to inspire you to create unforgettable and meaningful memories, so let us know about your own experiences.